Hello everyone, welcome to Techitrical How To series. So today we are going to discuss about how to retrieve the unsaved data that you might have in Excel. So if this is the situation that you are currently facing, then please stick with me because I am going to show you the way in which you can get this unsaved data. Now in Excel, there are many kind of situations wherein you are not able to save the data properly. Number one, you have a power shutdown, sudden power shutdown, and you are not able to save your data. Number two, there could be a situation when Excel hangs up and you are not able to save the data properly. Or the number three situation could be like you are working on it, but then you forgot to save the data. You just close the workbook without saving. Now, if these are the situations, then Excel does have a methodology by which you can retrieve your past unsaved data. So I open a blank Excel sheet. So from File, I give New, and then I click on Blank Workbook. I open the sheet. Now I have a sample sheet for today. So this is the sheet. So let me drag like this. So this is another way in which you can open a sheet rather than going from File and then Open and going through this particular way. So I open this particular sheet, and this is my original sheet, and now I want to maybe add some more data here. So I again maybe paste this here, okay, and maybe I have another data here. So this is the data maybe I was working on, and I forgot to save it, and I maybe close the entire workbook. So even when you close a workbook, Excel does have a mechanism wherein it says that if you click don't save, a reset copy of your file will be temporarily available. But most of us miss this option, and we do not know how to actually retrieve that. So first thing what you need to do is come to File, then Open. Okay, you can have that particular file that you were working on from Open. Else what you can do is, as I showed you, you can drag your previous version of the file. Okay, so you remember that I was not having any data here, so I was only having this part, right? So now what you do is come to File, and then if you come to Info section, you would see that you are getting a version here under Manage Versions. Okay, so it will tell you at what time you last have a version wherein you close these workbook without saving it. So if you click on that, you would be able to get that particular file. And before I click on that, I would like to also show you that if you forgot also that from where you had your previous version you were working on, there is a option here in Excel 2010, and I think in Excel 2007 or any other versions you would find a similar way. You would see here Open File Location. So this will take you to the original file that you had actually. Okay, so now I want to take you, before I click this, I want to take you to the section where you need to configure some things. So come to Options here under this File option. You come to Options, click on that, and then you come to Save. And under Save, you would see a field here as Auto Recover File Location. So this is the location where you would find your particular unsaved data. So if I select this, and if I come here and then if I click this, so if I come here, you would see the data that I was working on here. So that is the data that is already present. So the files are inside this. Okay, so let me close this particular window, come back here. So you can instead of this particular location, you can put your own file location. So if you have a preferred file path, you can put it here. And after that, the most important part is here there is a place wherein it says save auto cover information every 1 minute, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So in your case it might have a default of 5 minutes or 10 minutes or something like that. So please make it to 1 minute so that Excel saves every 1 minute of your data that you are working on. let me clarify one point here, that what you mean by this minutes is that in case you worked on some data which is less than 1 minute, I'm sorry, Excel will not able to save that data for you, because this is the minimum that it can have. So if I click here, the next one is 2. So if I try to go back, it is not taking me. So it is starting from 1 minute. So all data that is there after 1 minute would be saved by this option. Okay. Now I click on OK. Now what I do next is I come to File, and then I come to this under Info, I come to Manage Versions, and there I find Recover Unsaved Workbook. So this is another way by which you can get your particular unsaved files. Okay, so another way is I come to Info, I double click on this particular versions, and you would see that it gives me that unsaved file that I was initially working on. So it has this particular data. Excel does put an error here saying that this is the recovered unsaved file. So it asks that whether you want to restore this. So you should click on restore. So once you click on restore, it says that you're about to override the other last saved version that you had. So you click on OK, and this is now the version of Excel tutorial 1 copy that I was actually working on. So if I now close this, so again, if I open that that file, Excel tutorial 1 hyphen copy, so you would see that it now retains the data, original data that I have. So basically I have retrieved all the data that I had actually lost. So this is the way in which you can get. Finding this interesting, please subscribe to my channel, give a comment, say yes, I did love, and also give me a big thumbs up, because that motivates me to create more such videos.